Hey everyone, I'm Rob and welcome to the test drive. So today it is a sweltering hot day in New York State. It is supposed to get up to around 95 today. It's July 1st and this is like record high temperatures. It does not get this hot here really ever, but sometimes it does. And I am filming a video today. So I'm actually filming 5 things that I love about my BMW Z4. So I hope to have that up soon here in the next couple of days. But I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek at it right now. So I'm really trying to up the production value of my videos. Sometimes it's tough with cars that I'm reviewing just because I may not have access to the car for that long, but I'm trying to, up the production value of everything as much as possible. So I have a couple different cameras that I use. My main camera is this Sony AX33 here. I've also started to use this Canon G7X a little bit more as well. This thing with the autofocus function is freaking awesome, and this is a very commonly used camera among vloggers and people who make videos on YouTube. And then I also have my GoPro Hero 6 that I'm filming on right now. I have a couple GoPro Hero Session cameras as well. But this video isn't about any of that. This video is actually about the giveaway, which is this Akaso Ek7000 4K action camera. It's new in box, and I'm very excited to give this away to a subscriber. So if you watched the video where I actually announced the giveaway, I did a channel update, I think sometime around the beginning of June or the end of May. And basically, any subscriber who commented on that video was entered to win that camera. Now I have an Akaso Ek7000 camera of my own as well. I'm gonna make some videos of it. I've been meaning to for quite a while to compare it against the GoPro products, because the Akaso cameras, you get a lot of value for the money. They're not as expensive as GoPros, but they offer equivalent features, for significantly less, and they're really good cameras for a lot of different reasons. So anyways, this is not like sponsored in any way. It's just cameras that I stumbled upon. So I have one, and then I got this one new in box as well because I wanted to give it away on the channel. So the burning question is obviously who won the Akaso Ek7000 action camera. So what I did was I took my list of subscribers, I cross-referenced it with everybody who commented on that video, and then I put the names into a random name picker. And I use that to pick the winner. So the winner of the Akaso Ek7000 4K action camera is Steve W. So congratulations, Steve. I am so excited to send you this camera. All I need you to do is comment on this video with your email address so I can reach out to you, and then we'll exchange information and everything so I can figure out where to send this, and then it's gonna be on its way to you. So congratulations, Steve. I appreciate your support of the channel. I appreciate everybody who subscribes and watches the videos. It's awesome to see that people are interested in the content and want to see the videos. This is, again, one of many giveaways that we're gonna have in the future. Also, if you're not already, which most people aren't, follow me on Instagram at the Test Drive NY. I want to start getting more active on Instagram. I want to incorporate Instagram into the giveaways as well, at least some of them. And then I want to be able to take people behind the scenes too. So that's kind of, an awesome thing with Instagram, is I can post pictures and videos and really take you behind the scenes of a lot of the videos, especially, as I start to review better vehicles and make cooler content and everything. It's just nice to be able to take people behind the scenes and just kind of share the experience that I have, not just in the finished product, but as well as in the production of it, and also posting other cool things that I see related to cars, obviously. So again, Steve, let me know your email address, and thank you to everybody that supports the channel. Again, so many more giveaways coming, and I'll see you again very, very soon in another video. Bye-bye.